Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna do a unboxing video for the ExSoullent Makeup Brush Cleaner matte set. So this is the box I just got in the mail. I'm super excited to open this package. As you can see the logo right here in the center. This area is transparent, which allows you to see the product inside. Here is the product title, Makeup Brush Cleaner matte set, and it says the professional and easy way to clean and maintain your favorite makeup brushes 2-piece set. So there are some patterns on the box, and if you look at this way, it looks like a heart shaped instead of a circle. All the patterns matches the matte pattern, which is a super cool design in my opinion. There's a wave, there's a stripes, there's a circle, heart shaped, and on the back there's the little cross shape. So there's more logos on the side, and on the back of the box you can see awaken your true beauty within, like the brand mission, and more about the makeup brush cleaner. Here are the how-to steps on using this mat, and also it gives you 3 different type of patterns for 3 type of brushes. Here there's the social media here at ExSoullent. So let me open this. Sorry, I have one hand here. I'm trying to open it. There you go. So this is the mat. They tie it together so it doesn't flop around inside of the box. The first thing I see is, of course, this peach colored square or rectangular mat, handheld mat. Alright, so this is a card. It says thank you for choosing ExSoullent, and it's a cool card, and there's a QR code and other information on the back. This is the handheld mat. It fits on my palm perfectly like that. And this is the purple apple-shaped mat. Has all the, really sturdy patterns here on the mat itself. And on the back, there are suction cups, and since they are more slippery, then it sticks to the sink better. So yeah, this is all you get from the box. It's super cool. I think it would be a great gift idea for holidays because it's under $15. Get it for your friends, family, or any girlfriend that loves makeup. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you guys for watching.